Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing 2023 model DJI Gimbal Pocket 2. This is greatest combo pack. So let's see what they have changed in this new pack, and I will be showing you what's inside the box. So this is the gimbal. So this is the beautiful gimbal packed inside the case. And this is some of the stuff. So it has some of the minor accessories and all that. And this is the strap for the safety, and this is the charging cable. And as you can see, it has the wireless mic and extra extender, this one, and plus this has a compact tripod also. So this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see, I will show you, this is the case for gimbal, and this is the small tripod, and then comes with the charging cable, and then this is the wireless mic, as you can see, and this is just the filter to reduce the sound, air, especially the air noise. And these are the two different connector for iPhone and type C. And this is the wide angle lens cover if you want to shoot in the wide angle. And this is the pretty much DJI Gimbal Pocket 2. It's very small and compact, you can see that. And this is the extension with the charger, and on the back down you can put up the tripod. And this is pretty much inside the box, and this is the safety grip. So I will be showing you in the further video on my channel about how to set up and what are the cool feature of this new model 2023. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.